Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Here we go again. What is Groundhog Day? Yeah. So we have a politician. Remember, you know the previous case. Philip Alwell, politician, remember the PNP. Big wig. Partner. Dead. Child. Dead. Both under mysterious circumstances. No. Similar case. Jolyan Silvera, who, if you don't know, was a MP in St. Mary Western, but don't know him, still big in the PNP. His spouse is now dead, and he is also a dead child to talk about. Are you confused? Let me try and clear up some things for you. Jolyan Silvera and Melissa Silvera, husband and wife. Tell already, Jolyan was a former MP, well known. Ironman people call man like them, they quote unquote, that man. Well, on the outside it appeared everything was lovely. Husband and wife, living the good life, quote unquote respectable people. You know that guy already. This is all from people judging outward appearances. Them literally don't know what go on in these homes. They don't know if the man is a monster. They don't know if the woman is a mass murdering beast. They don't know. They just know say, man, them see people walk nice and talk nice, and you know they're highly educated and sophisticated. So people say them are respectable people, Jamaicans, you know. And they get the benefit of the doubt when certain things happen. Benefit of the unicorn. You see, the couple has been having their issues, but that's not really not in itself. I mean, couples have issues. So you go, man and woman thing. But there is a little bit more extreme. That's been going on for a while. Melissa Silvera died, I think it was November 10th. Come out of the papers. Wife of former MP dies in her sleep. No, of course, you know, these things happen. People can't remember than a wake up. Then, you know, the usual suspects come out, you know, Humber start, say your condolences, and you know, Marky Joe and the usual, you know, political fraternity and, you know, high society and the big wigs and everybody come together, you know, condolence, and, you know, we're praying for you. They love quote unquote pray for people. But I want for them prayer. See, Silvera was always a spooky character. And enough of them things are, if the public was to really know what go on with some of them big yeah, if the people them and the organizations them who them link with really were about transparency, enough of them things are could get nip in the bud from early on, but they cover up, hush, hush, hush. Only make people get even wickeder. When Silvera was MP, he followed to one of them quote unquote comrades them. And just to show how serious he is. Kill him comrade's dog and put it at the gate. Man go make internal, you know, complaint to the party and them keep it quiet. Yes, they will deny that to them grave. But I'm not saying I love politicians, so of course you know the look YouTuber and make up these things to get views. So work with them, say. But who no. Silvera kill the man dog and put it on gate to get him for quote unquote fall in line. And the man go file him reports internally, them keep it quiet. This was long before his wife even dead. And so this is when my MP. Enough of them things that go on my party them, you know. When time say party, I don't talk about Stone Love or Kilimanjaro dance, I talk about political parties. By the time them find out their members have certain behavioral issues, certain character flaws, certain, basically, sometimes when you hear about it, almost sadistic traits. Because they don't want it look bad. Because they care more about PR than actually helping people or fixing things. Them say, alright, but if this could look bad, I could bury it way under here, so. But you can't really bury it in the area, man. The place too small. Somebody know. Or somebody know. Kill the man dog and left it time gate. That's why I tell you something, I don't want a politician, bro. Can't keep that. Tell them say the woman died in her sleep. That coming on news. I didn't even look no further into it because I say, alright, these things happen. And the mainstream media say so. And then we see, alright, politicians, and we see the Umbre, and we see the Market Joe, everybody has condolences, and look, official, that's how it go. Even though they already know about the kill dog and put a gate thing. If I'm the leader of a party and somebody in my party, kill somebody dog and put it out, and then get the mayor say, his wife dead. And all if a big C killer, me still, I keep my eye open. All if a cancer killer, me still keep my ears wide open. Because anybody can do that can do anything. But they take him word feed. See me them take Paul with the word feed. These people don't out each other, No matter what, even them know each other. Everybody not, the PNP know about Philip Paul and our theme thing, But they're not talk about this new thing with Toshina and people. I talk about from back in the day, people know about Philip Paul and film history. And even with his ex-wife and the people know the history of Philip Paul in the party, And even the other politicians, even though them dip on the other side of the table, them are friends. So when they hear certain things go down with Tashina and the baby, them should automatically go with them man they do anything. But them tore the party line and tore the politician line. So I see me them tore the line to Silvera. The woman dead in her sleep. Alright. Dead in her sleep. It look like anytime me hear anybody associated with a Jamaican politician dead, it does automatically classified under the spooky section. Can't trust nothing right now will come out from that group there. Nothing at all. Look how innocent it look. Cause they start off real innocent. She went to bed, died in her sleep. Oh, that's unfortunate. Now we are here about gunshot. Postmortem. Autopsy. At least 3 rounds. At least 3 rounds? Woman died at home? This is spooky. To say the least. Because start off with the policeman them where turn up at the scene immediately. After him call and say she died in her sleep. Them, I tell them the man start carry them some police that got out park camp to throw them behind a red fence. Squad, you know say get her food. Just cool them man, nobody with it, just you know say get something. You know say Silvera grease your palm and run something for you. Them Mickey Mouse story, because now them are going to try to say, well, maybe this time, maybe that only work on people who don't actually know, what happened when somebody dead and what should happen when somebody dead. Them police respond immediately. Them have a whole heap of questions to answer, and apparently they're in line to get that question in. How did the responding officers tell this? Remember, because it's not a shooting. Right, somebody died of natural causes. Oh, I was in the bed and my wife just wake up. That's different from murder reported in Spanish Town and then seen a crime pull up and then the people say Madden, but it's not always Madden. But traditionally Jamaicans hear about Madden, but it's all kind of different family homes pull up. But man, Madden come pick up the body and that's how people. But for this case, that's not really what it goes. So they want to come and put up no heap of yellow tape and then the man then go and put down them overalls and then start them little testing and pick up spank shell. That's not the case. They call and say, my wife no wake up and she dead. Police turn up, walk around a couple times, corroborate the story, and here we are. Melissa Silvera has a light skin complexion. Why am I bringing this up? Well, that means Stefan gunshot bore up body. If the police ain't go to their job, they made the office see that. Even though it's not like in the movies where somebody get shot and there's this big hole ripped through the flesh, right? It's usually the exit wound that's the bigger hole. But even if there's no exit wound, it no matter. Because looking upon Melissa Silvera, the skin tone where she have, if a mosquito bite her, it left a mark. Let me say that one more time. If a mosquito bite her, it left a mark, much less a bullet. There would be marks on her body if them do them job. Why wouldn't they do them job? Are they that sloppy, or Silvera give them a thing? Which one is it? Did they turn up and take his word for it? Did they walk through the door, yawn, alright, walk one there, bossy? And I said, well, why no say, just lie down and just wake up? And then the policeman, alright, that's not my boss. Alright, you're gonna do. You call and come move the body and then. Alright, if anything, we make a right on look a statement and say it. May I say, alright, big up yourself, my general. Look more. Was that, is that how I say go? Squaddy, I say go? Is that how it's supposed to go? Gunshot fire. But all if him change mattress, all if him change sheet and all kind of things. Gunshot, multiple gunshot. It's not add up. Squaddy them right, in a serious trouble for this. See, I've heard about people who poison people them live with, and then you know, when people sometimes die from poisoning, it can look like a sickness because they might have certain symptoms that look like some sickness. But gunshot, no police not supposed to turn up and no right, scene with no dead body there with gunshot tonight, right, multiple gunshot at that, right, and coming from it, right, concluding say woman dead not sleep just so. Them police have to answer for this. Them have to answer for this. All if I'm first year upon the work, supposed to turn up on a scene when a man tell us a wife dead. Right? Or she dead. Or she just no wake up. Right? And you no inspect. You no look around, you no check. The woman skin light. Right? If you pinch it, it go red. Look on the body. See if there's any sign of abuse. See them laugh fight. See if she getting a thump in her eye. See no bruises upon the body. Nothing. They sign off on that and 3 shot in a woman. This is nonsense. This is the same nonsense that is even back to the deputy Orville more now. Who go sign off on the fact that the man kill himself? Which investigators sign off say this man kill himself? The same way them go sign off now say the woman dead in her sleep and gunshot na the woman. This is getting ridiculous. Seems the way about world-class investigations like Powell case. I'm saying come like a film case all over again. Dead woman, dead pitney. I go about dead pitney later on. So right now me I wonder if Silvera and Powell par. Me I want to drink at the same rum bar. More or no, what go on? The leaders of these political parties, Umbria Market Joe, don't need to control and kill them. We don't need to put a leash on the kill them. We don't shoot at them. We don't 87 them. Because the money move like 87. We can talk about the gunshot them. Shot for your neighbor near nothing. No me know what you think. See, he probably had like a silencer. So when he fired it, he went pew. I don't watch too much show. Nothing no go so. Even if he muffled, okay, I show you some man put pillar over a gun and fire it and then you hear pew. I don't watch too much show. It's not how it works in real life. Even a suppressed shot is still very audible. And if them hear 3 spooky sounds go on at night, because I said this, even if it's suppressed, you hear it same way. But if you hear 3 spooky sounds, because I suppressed gunshot sound like nothing else. But even if you don't know what that was, you hear the sound them. And then next day you hear say, Miss Silvera dead. Something a clicking in your head. Earlier mentioned a son. You see, Jolyan, although need to change him name to Sadan. Jolyan there so. Right. Sadan Silvera, son died in 2017. See the pain screen? Storybrooke said he was home with the baby. He realized that the baby, quote unquote, went missing. And when he eventually found the baby, he was in the pool, dead, drowned. Once again, outpouring of support, people thought nothing of it. Just like how they thought nothing of this one. Oh Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. That case have to go dig up back. World-class investigators have to go dig up back that case. Silvera, son, they were with him. Next thing, man, the boy just drowned at the pool, son. I'm not saying it's impossible, I'm just saying it's spooky. Considering that he faked this crime scene with the help of either corrupt or highly incompetent police officer, it is not unreasonable to think that he would fake the previous death, which could be a crime disguised to look like an accident. So this one was made to look like natural causes. So in both instances, what can I do? These things happen. This is the man who say kill him comrade dog. Left it and gate. Make him know say mean business. So Sadan Silvera, right? The story hit you out and you're like, then I wonder what could I do? But it's a long history. People like this type of deviant behavior usually is coming from somewhere just that it don't get reported saying I know what I want. That little boy case have to dig up 2 years old. And we know why you said them seized him license firearm. But it's a possibility saying can use another gun. The only way him that use him license firearm is if it's some kind of heat of the moment argument or something. But if this was premeditated, then I highly doubt him that use him license firearm. Unless he was 100% confident, say the cover up I go work, and then there'd be no need for them even take him gun and check it, because once them take him gun and run ballistics, then them assist how they say shot then come from if other gun they get used. So maybe, just guesstimating here, maybe he thought, well, he not going to even come to that when the gun get taken because she died in her sleep. Or the autopsy catch him out. So now me I wonder. Because people like that know say there's going to be an autopsy. Now me I wonder if it's a case for them simply couldn't buy out the people who do the autopsy, or if a next autopsy they can do, because I don't know, that side of them tend to keep very close to, they're very secretive. Remember the parallel case, them must get lucky, a lucky break. And them must get a video, seeing the moments when touching and the people are going at the car. But what we do know is whole heap of people need to answer whole heap of questions. Answer them good too. I'm going to start about Sadan Silvera. People like this have what? Connections. People like this have power. So then people that think they can kill with impunity. When if you understand it, say, not for the big wigs them, people are bloodsuckers. Right? They don't have a problem with kill baby. Many of these big wigs link the same Guzo man like your favorite scammer them, you know. Many of your favorite big wigs, right? Your favorite politicians, They also do rituals and drink blood out of skull and make sacrifice and all kind of things on the riverside, you know. Just like this scammer them, you know. It's just that them walk nice and talk nice and they're quote unquote sophisticated because, you know, they're so-called educated and, you know, so you give them the benefit of the doubt. So when you meet them, you're like, oh, Sad and Sylvester, nice man. I walk on. Politician, woman are dead, the baby are dead, all kind of mysterious circumstances. When I investigate this case, investigate a little boy who lost his life. Investigate, dig up back that case. Dig up back that case. Something I see right there, so. Justin Silvera might need justice too. Let me say it one more time. Justin Silvera might need justice too. If it turns out it wasn't accidental drowning. Hombre Marky Joe controlling the kill them. I mean, if you call a meeting. Things that get spooky, you know. Controlling the thugs them. I'm not quite for them. You know, look good. Same story again. Woman dead. Baby dead. And unlike the misandrists who love to tell us, say, them not say nothing until they find out why the woman kill the man. Because she don't know what him do. Over here, we don't business. Dead woman, dead pitney. We're not supporting it. If we not have man and woman issues, we're gonna go fix that somewhere, left, go on our way, that's a phony business. But once we reach murder, we're not supporting it. Especially when it gone down to 2-year-old, it gone down to 10-month-old, we're not supporting it. Anyway, Rachel Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Water Squad, see you circling. Bless.